Today's program we shall be talking about the power of artificial intelligence. Embrace the future, learn how to use artificial intelligence (AI) to your advantage. Artificial intelligence, or AI, was founded by John McCarthy in 1995. It is known as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. AI is the use of computer science programming to replicate human thoughts and action by analyzing data and surroundings, solving or anticipating problems, and learning or self-teaching to adapt to a variety of tasks. AI is everywhere. We use AI on a daily basis for everyday tasks. Whether on your phone using Siri or if you have Amazon's Alexa, they both use AI to complete tasks and answer your questions. Facebook feed is using AI to predict what content is the most relevant to you as a user. Netflix is using AI to create suggestions according to your viewing preferences. Overall, AI has improved our lives and made it easier for many to do their jobs or consume content. Are you worried about losing your job to artificial intelligence (AI)? It's a harsh reality that many of us will face shortly. However, instead of being afraid of the inevitable, why not take control of your future and learn how to harness the power of AI? Some persons have predicted and commented on what they think about AI. In an interview with CNBC, the founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, explained how he is not worried about the concern of robots taking jobs. As a matter of fact, he is very optimistic and he claims that AI will be helpful and it will make people happier. I predict that, because of artificial intelligence and its ability to automate certain tasks that in the past were impossible to automate, not only will we have a much wealthier civilization, but the quality of work will go up very significantly and a higher fraction of people will have callings and careers relative to today, said Bezos. While Stephen Hawking told BBC, the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. It would take off on its own, and redesign itself at an ever-increasing rate. Humans, who are limited by slow biological evolution, couldn't compete, and would be superseded. Larry Page, an American internet entrepreneur and a co-founder of Google, on his part said, "Artificial intelligence would be the ultimate version of Google. The ultimate search engine that would understand everything on the web. It would understand exactly what you wanted, and it would give you the right thing. We're nowhere near doing that now. However, we can get incrementally closer to that, and that is basically what we work on." Elon Musk, Tesla boss, and the world's richest man wrote in a comment on edge.org. The pace of progress in artificial intelligence, I'm not referring to narrow AI, is incredibly fast. Unless you have direct exposure to groups like DeepMind, you have no idea how fast it is growing at a pace close to exponential. The risk of something seriously dangerous happening is in the 5-year time frame, 10 years at most. Nick Bilton, tech columnist, wrote in the New York Times, "The upheavals of artificial intelligence can escalate quickly and become scarier and even cataclysmic. Imagine how a medical robot, originally programmed to rid cancer, could conclude that the best way to obliterate cancer is to exterminate humans who are genetically prone to the disease." Are you getting people's reactions towards artificial intelligence? As long as humans are still living, choose a path of being relevant when AI would have taken over the entire world. The benefits of learning how to use AI are endless. You can write books, generate codes in different programming languages, design websites, solve mathematical problems, generate content for blog posts and social media, and even target the right audience with ease. And the best part, you can earn a significant income using AI tools. How to make money using AI. 1. Develop AI-powered applications. Developing AI-enabled apps is one of the most straightforward ways to make money using AI. You can develop advanced AI-powered apps that sell services like facial recognition, natural language processing, NLP, predictive analytics, and much more. 2. Create AI-enabled content. Creating AI-enabled content can also be lucrative. Platforms such as Apple, Google, and Amazon have all begun to utilize intelligent assistants such as Siri, Google Home, and Alexa to provide users with an interactive and personalized experience. By creating and monetizing AI-generated content, you can make money in the process. 3. Start an AI consulting business. Starting an AI consulting business is another way to make money from AI. Companies across industries require expert help in understanding and implementing AI. As an AI consultant, you can offer your services in helping them reach the goals with AI. 4. Invest in AI-based companies. Investing in AI-based companies is another way to make money using AI. With the emergence of new AI technologies, companies are seeing tremendous growth. If you have the resources to invest, you can reap substantial returns. 5. Become an AI-powered job placement. Artificial intelligence is gaining more knowledge on how to interact with and manipulate people. Recent research has demonstrated how AI can be trained to recognize human routines and behaviors that can be used to affect human decision-making. And that truly shows the power of artificial intelligence. In industries as diverse as vaccine development, environmental management, and office administration, several versions of AI are in use. And although if AI doesn't have human-like intelligence or emotions, its capabilities are strong and expanding quickly. Do you know that there are different types of artificial intelligence? Subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the bell notification, because in our next program, we shall be looking at the different types of artificial intelligence.
Thank you for watching.
BCV24, strictly business.